Let's talk about the first 6 weeks of school. Super important, research-based, we know that. And it is really important. But here's the thing, it can't end at the first 6 weeks of school. Depends on what climate you live in, but if you live in like New England, school's gonna start 4 times a year, depending upon vacations, snow days. If you're living out in the other part of the country on the West Coast where you might have overheated days or you have different vacations, whatever it might be. Every time there's a break, school starts again. We've gotta get that kind of into ourselves so we realize that when we come back from vacations, we come back from a snow day, we come back from a hurricane day, whatever it might be, that we have to kind of reestablish the way we do school. We've got to stop making assumptions that you just do it the first 6 weeks and they're supposed to, keep rolling with it with the expectations through the whole year. Make sure you always back up, just like any other curriculum. Expectations, if you see the expectations starting to unravel, go back to the first 6 weeks of school. You can do it anytime. There is no law that says, oh my gosh, it's January. We did this the first 6 weeks. We can't do it again. Do it again.